Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to sign up for my Ether wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the MEW wallet application from your app drawer. If you don't have the app downloaded yet, go ahead and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and get it downloaded on your device. Once you open the application, you will see this interface from where you will need to tap on Create a Wallet and go through the information and tap on Create a Wallet again. You will now need to create a PIN so that it can be used in order to unlock your wallet. Create a PIN and type it down with the help of the keypad. Now type in your PIN again and enable Face ID or biometrics by tapping on the Enable button. If you don't want to do that right now, tap on Skip. Wait for a few seconds and tap on Finish. The next step is to back up your wallet. Tap on the Backup Now button and then tap on Backup Now once again. Next, you will be revealed with your secret recovery phrases. Remember that your recovery phrases must be kept a secret and you should not share it with anyone. Tap the Start button and write down the secret recovery phrases in a piece of paper. Tap on the Start button and enter your PIN that you previously created in order to reveal your secret phrases. Now, your secret phrases will be displayed on the screen. Write it down on a piece of paper and secure it yourself. Once you are done backing up your recovery phrase, tap Next at the top right corner and verify your recovery phrases by selecting the correct word corresponding to the number displayed on the screen. Of course, you can take help from your backup phrases that you previously wrote down. Now tap on Finish and your wallet is now backed up. Tap on Done and there you have successfully signed up for my Ether wallet. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.